Nope.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, you're in Rose.
No,
that's
I
right.
can't.
Why can't you? That makes
Because
no
these
sense.
are my sheets. I clean them every day. You know how OCD
You do
I
not
am.
clean them every day.
I wash them
How do you clean them? When have you last cleaned them?
Well, last time they were washed by people. No, I'm sorry.
Are you serious?
Yeah. What? No, I got this bed first and I allowed you to sleep in it.
On in.
You're so annoying. I need to change eventually. I'm just being lazy.
Why?
What do you mean? Being lazy about changing?
Yes.
What do you mean? Because I'm being lazy. Yeah.
Give me.
Nope.
What?
Ow.
Why?
What?
Why?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay. I was gonna change it. I was like, nope.
Nope.
Okay, can you at least get a pillow?
I'm not sleeping here tonight.
Okay, well then move.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What?
Okay.
Oh! Kicking me out of my own bed.
It's my bed.
Worst friend award goes to... Nana.
It's my bed.
Not your bed at all.
All my clothes are in the drawers.
Okay, if we went on a
I
factor,
chose it
if we went on a
first.
factor from, like, who's coolest, like me or you, it'd probably be my bed.
I don't think they would go
Right,
off
Deli?
of that.
Got it, bud. Oh.
No, Adele. What are you doing? No.
Sorry, Neds.
Okay, which one would you choose?
For what?
For just stuff.
Coolness.
Nope. Nope, just...
Yeah, true. You're a psycho.
But no, just for anything. What would
Nope.
you choose?
Sex appeal, you, and then that's